Have you ever wondered what it would be like to eat only animal-based foods? Welcome to the world of the carnivore diet, a regimen that's as primal as it gets. This dietary approach is based on the premise that human beings thrive on a diet primarily composed of animal products. To start your day, breakfast options include 3 to 4 scrambled eggs cooked in butter or beef tallow, a hearty steak, or the classic combination of bacon and eggs. For lunch, you could opt for grilled chicken thighs or breasts, ground beef patties with or without cheese, or pork chops or pork belly slices. Come dinner time, feast on a large steak, lamb chops or shank, or roast beef or brisket. In between meals, snacks such as beef jerky, hard-boiled eggs, or sliced deli meats without additives or sugars can keep you satiated. As for beverages, stick to water, bone broth, and plain tea or coffee with no added sugar or cream. The carnivore diet is not about restriction, but about choosing from a variety of animal-based foods. From all cuts of beef, pork, and lamb to poultry and game meats, there's a wide range to choose from. Seafood, including fish and shellfish, are also part of the menu. Dairy, such as cheese, butter, and ghee, can be included depending on your tolerance. Fats are vital in this diet, with animal fats, butter, and ghee being the primary sources. Don't forget organ meats, which are densely packed with nutrients. While embarking on this diet, remember to keep yourself hydrated and maintain your electrolyte balance. Since this diet excludes many sources of electrolytes found in plant foods, you might need to consider supplementing with sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Including a variety of meats and organ meats ensures you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Keep track of how you feel and any changes in your health. It may be beneficial to consult with a healthcare professional before starting this diet, especially if you have underlying health conditions. The carnivore diet emphasizes simplicity, with meals often revolving around a primary source of animal protein. Prioritize high-quality, minimally processed meats and fats to maximize the potential health benefits of the carnivore diet. So, if you're ready for a dietary journey back to our primal roots, the carnivore diet awaits.